Hello everybody, it's Nick here with Nick Tolman Music, and today I want to talk to you about a new exciting opportunity and resource that's available for you as a user and or a teacher of the Mel Bay Guitar Method. So if you're familiar with Nick Tolman Music, you will know that on my YouTube channel I have a host of lessons utilizing the Mel Bay Guitar Method, right? So I have a lesson for every single page of Mel Bay Modern Method Book 1, and I'm actually launching a similar series for Book 2 starting here in January of 2021, which I'm really excited about. Every single day on my YouTube channel, I get questions from users and from viewers about things that they're learning in the Mel Bay series. So what I've done is I have just launched a new Facebook group called Mel Bay Guitar Support. I'll put the link in the description below. But this group is designed for us as users of this method to come together to be able to collaborate and help each other out. All right. My vision here is that this is a place that if you're learning from this method and you have a question and you're like, man, I don't quite know what to do about this thing, this exercise, this song, whatever, I'm having this issue, come to the page, ask a question, and we have a community of people who are in the same boat who can help each other out, help you to answer that question. Maybe you've worked up a new exercise. Maybe you just learned Shenandoah in Book 1 and you want to know if it sounds okay. You want to know if there's any issues, any particular things that you should be working on. This is the place to come. Go ahead and take a little video of yourself playing, post it on the group, and we're there to give you positive, constructive feedback to help you as you're learning to play guitar. My vision for this group is that it's a positive environment, a place where we can learn together, a place where we can help each other out. It should be helpful for learners of guitar, but also teachers. So if you're a teacher who is using the Mel Bay series like I have done for many, many years, this is also a good place for you to come be able to share your knowledge, but also maybe pick up on some things that might help you as you're teaching your students as well. So I hope to see you all there soon. The link is in the description below. Please consider coming over and becoming a member of this Facebook group today, and we will see you soon. Thanks.